Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 6120M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 120 horsepower, has just under 600 hours. Comes with a John Deere 620R quick attach front loader. The tractor is in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. Comes with a toolbox, mirrors on both sides of the cab, beacon warning light, 4 front work lights. Has the Firestone Radial tires, which are in excellent condition. Global style hookup for your bucket connection. It's got the heavy duty front bucket on it. Roll guard is there. Got the Deluxe Multi-Coupler here for your loader hose connection. Corner post exhaust, 2 entry doors in the cab. Steps are straight. It's got the rack and pinion axles with the cast centers. Buttons on both fenders for your PTO. Also has the button on the left fender for the 3-point up and down. Triple rear hydraulic outlets. Top link is there. 540 and 1000 PTO. Also has the cold weather package. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the air ride seat here for the operator. Buddy seat here to the left. Cup holder. You got your cord for your cold weather package back behind the seat. The seat does have some cigarette burns. You can also tell that somebody has smoked in here by the smell. We did not put any air freshener or anything in here. I'm sure you can get the smell out, but it is evident that somebody has smoked in the cab. Loader control right here for your loader. Also has these shift controls right on the loader control. 24-speed transmission. It's got 6 ranges and a 4-speed power shift in each range. You can shift the power shift with the buttons on the range lever, on the toggle, or the joystick for the loader. So wherever your hand may be, you can easily shift the transmission. Also has a 3-point PTO hydraulic controls to the right here. So your 4-wheel drive engagement. Climate controls and light switches there to the far right. Up top you've got the radio, sun visor and rear view mirror up front. Foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock and clutch pedal. You can see there's barely any paint off of the pedals. Overall, the tractor looks nearly new. Very, very sharp tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Also comes with the balance of the John Deere warranty. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.